Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafthelsa Vlogs DIY tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mini garden of mushrooms by using waste material from the garlic. All we need is the remains of the garlic, acrylic paint, brush, glue gun and glue stick, and one piece of a plate to be served as a base of our garden. Okay, so stay tuned, stay connected, enjoy watching until the end of this tutorial. Hi guys, we're going to create a mini garden, a garden with full of mushrooms. Okay, so I have here a mushrooms. This colorful mushrooms is made from the empty stalk of the garlic, the real garlic. Okay, so stay tuned, stay connected, sit back and relax, and I will show you how to create a mini garden with full of mushrooms. Bye bye. So this is now the preview of our finished project. This is now the transformation of the waste garlic painted with different colors of acrylic paint and fix it into the plate as a serving or as a base of our mini garden. So sit back and relax. We will start the process on how to create this very unique and beautiful DIY home decoration table centerpiece mini garden of mushrooms. So this is now the transformation from waste to home decoration. This is the waste garlic, the remains of the garlic. Yung ano niya, yung nasa gitna ng bawang, tanggalin mo yung bawang niyan. So all we need now is a brush, acrylic paint, but if you don't have acrylic paint and if you have a nail polish, any colors will do, so you can reuse or recycle your nail polish to be used as a paint for our project. So no need to spend another money for this project. Just use your nail polish if you don't have acrylic paint. So this is now the garlic, original garlic. So if you are cooking, just collect the empty stalk or the remains of the garlic. Just collect it, set aside, and when you have already more collections, then you can start to create a project. So I am just showing you how it looks like when it is not yet painted. So just first remove the garlic one by one and retain the circle in the center of this garlic stalk, and just trim it by the use of the scissor to form as a circle, and then you can paint it with different colors. So just remove it carefully so that this circle will retain, so that it will not be damaged. Okay, So use the scissor, just simply trim and form it like a circle. So this is one way of minimizing our garbage and to keep our environment clean. And also, when you learn how to create a beautiful DIY project, then you can sell this one. So learn and earn. If you want to learn different DIY project, just check out my playlist of my other live tutorial in YouTube. So I have done many live tutorials. So just click in my playlist in which project you want to learn, like beadworks. Beadworks is a process of how to create a fashion jewelry by using DIY materials from waste materials. And look at here, we have already the brush, the trim garlic stalk, and this acrylic paint. And let's start to paint this garlic. Just simply drop a little portion of this paint and brush it on the top of this garlic circle. So take a little bit and paint again another garlic stalk. So as I said, you can use also nail polish for painting the mushrooms. So this is now the painted garlic stalk, and now we are ready to start our project. So this is now our serving plate as a base for our mini garden. So we will just create a mini garden as a table centerpiece. Okay, so I have here already the painted mushrooms, different colors, and this is from the original stock from the garlic. Okay, so I have already here the hot glue with the glue stick. So this is our artificial grass we're going to put here. Okay, so we're going to put the center, we're going to put it in the center. Other one also here. Okay, so let's start. This is our artificial flowers. This is our mushrooms in the garden. Okay. Look at guys, this is our mini garden with mushrooms. Okay.